Hello, I'm Michael Hartl. Welcome to Learn Enough Git to be dangerous. This tutorial covers version control, an important class of application that is essential for those developing technical sophistication. Its only prerequisites are a familiarity with the Unix command line, such as that provided by Learn Enough Command Line to be dangerous, and with text editors, as covered in Learn Enough Text Editor to be dangerous. As with those tutorials, Learn Enough Git to be dangerous doesn't even assume you're familiar with the category of application. So if you don't know what version control is, you're in the right place. Even if you've used version control before, it's likely that you'll still learn a lot from this tutorial. Either way, learning the material in Learn Enough Git to be dangerous prepares you for the other Learn Enough tutorials while enabling an astonishing variety of applications, including a special surprise at the end. Let's take a look at the kind of problem that version control solves. Open up a terminal window here. This is the normal size terminal window that I use, but I'll make it bigger for the purposes of the screencast. Okay, let's change into a project directory. This is just a sample project. And now I can take a look at the contents. And we see this here, report 2014_1, _2, _3, or something like annual budget version 15.xls, the extension for Excel here. This is the extension for a Word document. It's likely that you've seen this kind of naming convention, where the numbers represent different versions of the document. So this is incredibly cumbersome, and it's also likely to lead to errors. Some applications like word processors have a built-in way to track changes, but those systems are not particularly flexible, and they're tied to that exact kind of application. Moreover, as technically sophisticated people, we often deal with text files. So it's especially important to have a way to track changes in things like source code, HTML, configuration files, and other kinds of files that use the kind of plain text format we learned about in Learn Enough Text Editor to be dangerous. Automatically tracking such changes is the job of a version control system, or VCS. And in this tutorial, we're going to be learning one of the most popular and most powerful VCSs called Git.